Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, south central Berks County, thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 65 miles per hour. This storm was located over Denver, or New Ephrata, and moving east at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Reading, Westchester, Wyomissing, Downingtown, Birdsboro, Sinking Spring, Warnersville, Adamstown, Honeybrook, Elverson, New Morgan, Glenmore, Chester Springs, Pewtown, Lionville, Marshwood, Lionville, Spring Ridge, West Goshen, Shillington, and West Reading. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, large hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. This storm has a history of producing wind damage. This is a very dangerous situation. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks and Chester.